Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm making the best air fryer chicken wings and I'm using my Cooks Essentials air fryer. This is not deja vu. I have done this video before, but my previous video is about 5 minutes longer. This one cuts right to the chase. Here are the seasonings that I'll be using for the chicken. First, you want to start by coating the chicken in yellow mustard. As I've mentioned before, it doesn't make your food taste like mustard, but it does add a nice layer of flavor. It's delicious. Next, you want to season it with some Slap Yo Mama, and then you're going to sprinkle it with some granulated garlic, some black pepper, some poultry seasoning, a little bit of cayenne pepper, some paprika, and then finally some hot sauce. And you're going to do this on both sides. Once your chicken is well seasoned, you're going to put it in a Ziploc bag along with some buttermilk, and you're going to let it chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Mine was in there for a couple hours. I'm finally getting a chance to use my Cajun Injector Batter Pro. My girl Booger 500 US told me about this nifty gadget. So I'm using Kentucky Colonel seasoned flour. I'm going to place my chicken inside my Batter Pro. And then I'm going to sprinkle some of the seasoned flour on top. And then I put the lid on the Batter Pro and I give it a few shakes and flips. And then your food is battered up. Easy peasy. I love this thing. I'll put a link to purchase in the description box. Once your chicken is coated, it's time to fry it up. So I sprayed my basket with some olive oil and I'm adding my chicken, and then I'm going to spritz the chicken with a little bit of olive oil. This will help with the browning and crisping. And I'm going to cook it in the air fryer at 400 for 20 minutes. Towards the end, with about 2 minutes left, I'm flipping the wings over, and then you can see that there's a couple spots that still have a little bit of flour. Just spray that with some olive oil and you're good to go. This is what they look like when they're all done. So easy peasy chicken wings in the air fryer, no deep frying necessary. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, thanks so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.